Hey, what's going on? It's Rocky from Rockside RC. Just want to welcome everybody back to my channel. Thank you very much for watching and viewing and commenting. I greatly appreciate everybody. So today, we're going to talk about the Traxxas Funco Pro Scale sand car. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you guys a little sneak peek of the orange version. I figured I'd show you guys the new sand rail car from Traxxas. And show you, a different color. I have the red one. Figured I'd share this with you guys. Hopefully everybody enjoys the video and a little sneak peek of the orange sand car. And yeah, enjoy the video.
So going here to Bayshore Hobbies. So I just got the word that Traxxas dropped their new vehicle, and we're gonna check it out.
Might take more than one person though.
I'll help you, of course. That's not a problem.
You know why? Because it's in.
Okay, so what was my right here?
Can you see it?
You think you get any smaller? Probably.
I wish I could tell you the date. This week though.
Very nice. Oop, pardon.
It's perfect.
This thing's definitely beautiful. Definitely can't wait to get mine.